Okay, final steps to putting the speaker wires. You see now I've stripped a little bit of the plastic outer coating off. Going to need a screwdriver, and it's a bit fiddly. Again, you're going to have to squeeze these little spring clips down, feed those in there, and then release the spring. Go to the other one. Good squeeze. And then release the spring, and that's actually connected. Okay, and then we're going to do the same on the other side with our plus and minus terminals. Make sure you get them the right way round. Red is positive. And there. And the black is negative. Oops. In there. We've obviously got to put the other speaker wire in there, and then we can link a jack socket to our iPads for sound.